Sa video na to, pag-uusapan naman natin yung tinatawag natin na factorial. Okay, so ano ba si factorial? Sabi dyan, a factorial is a mathematical operation that involves multiplying a number by all the positive integers less than that number. So, halimbawa, may number ka. Halimbawa, 7. Mumultiply mo daw dyan yung lahat ng positive integers na mas maliit sa 7. Yan, all the positive integers less than that number. Ano-ano yung mga positive integers na less than 7? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ayan daw si factorial, no? Okay, or much more accurate na definition ng factorial is, sabi dyan, the factorial of a non-negative integer. Okay? Malinaw tayo doon. Non-negative, ibig sabihin positive lang. Non-negative integer n is written as n with an exclamation mark. Ang basa dyan ay n factorial. And defined as n factorial equals n times n minus 1 times n minus 2 times n minus 3 and so on until times 3 times 2 and times 1. Okay? So suppose, for example, okay, balikan natin yung kanina. If n equals 7, yan, we will have 7 factorial equals 7 times 7 minus 1 is 6 times 7 minus 2 is 5 times 7 minus 3 is 4 and so on, dire-diretso yan hanggang makarating ka ng times 3, times 2, and times 1. Okay? Another thing, if n is equal to 5, therefore we have 5 factorial equals 5 times 5 minus 1 is 4, 5 minus 2 is 3, 5 minus 3 is 2, and finally, times 1. Okay? Humihinto tayo sa 1, ha? Dahil, sabi dyan, positive integers lang. Okay? So, hanggang 1 lang yan. Hindi tayo abot ng 0. Okay? So, paano natin i-apply yan? Yung factorial, that's another way na pwede tayong makakuha ng possible arrangements, no? Remember, sa FCP, diba? One of the uses of FCP is yung arrangements without repetition. Okay? Balikan natin ang mabilis, no? So, for example, ito. Halimbawa, namalengke kayo ng nanay mo. Tapos, pinamalengke nyo, patatas, carrot, tsaka petchay. Tapos, inutusan ka ng nanay may lagay sa rep yan. So, kailangan, mailagay mo siya ng effectively. Okay? So, paanong paraan mo may arrange tong tatlo na to na may papasok mo silang tatlo sa rep. Okay? So, sa FCP, meron tayong tatlong event. Event A, Event B, and Event C. Remember, event, yan yung instances na tayo ay mamimili. Okay? Unang instance na mamimili tayo is yung position number 1, no? Sa loob ng ref. Inside, in fridge na lang. Yan. In fridge. Sa loob ng fridge, ano yung position 1 natin na ilalagay. Okay? And sa event A, sa unang event, ang options natin ay 3. Now, for example, nakapaglagay ka na sa position 2, dahil nakapaglagay ka na ng isa, mababawasan na yung pagpipilian mo. 2 na lang options. And lastly, sa position 3, dahil 2 na yung nailagay mo, mababawasan ulit ng isa yan, isa na lang option mo. Okay? And sabi sa FCP, multiply lang yung options. So, 3 times 2 times 1 equals 3 times 2 is 6 times 1 is 6. Okay? So, 6 ways. Or, pwede rin naman, basta nakakita tayo ng arrangements without repetition. Okay? Pag without repetition, ibig sabihin, pag nailagay mo na yung isa, hindi mo na siya pwedeng, bawas na siya dun sa options mo. Kaya nababawasan yung option. No? Basta nakakita tayo ng arrangement without repetition, i-factorial agad natin. Ilan yung pagpipilian? 3. So, equal natin si n by 3. So, therefore, 3 factorial equals 3 times 2 times 1. Ibig sabihin, equal siya sa 3 times 2 is 6. Okay? So, yan ngayon.